Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to She Talk. To the returning subscribers here, thank you and welcome back. To the new subscribers, my name is Shelly and we talk about wellness and personal growth here. So before we start on our today's topic, I'd like to thank you guys for liking, subscribing, um, commenting and also sharing my content. So to everyone who hasn't liked or commented on my content, kindly consider doing that. Leave a comment down and let me know what you feel about the episode that we have already done and the episode that we are doing today. And also remember to tell a friend that we have a community or we have a space where we talk about growth here, so they can as well. Please join us and subscribe to my channel. So on today's topic, I would love us guys to discuss about something we all got to experience or we will get to experience in life, which is something I think all of us have already experienced at this moment. So today we will talk about change, or at times I would like to refer it to as the impermanency of life, because I think we have all experienced change and we know that first of all, life never comes. Life doesn't come with a manual. And with some tips here and there, we can get at least navigate and at least ride the ride with a bit of smoothness rather than just eating and just trying to so for me, I'm talking from a point of experience and a point of what I did in my moments of change. So kindly know that this is not from an expert point of view. It's from my point of experience and things that I got to do in moments that I feel like I'm going through a certain moment of change, which could as well. So I'm having this discussion because I know it could be helpful to someone out there who is going through the moment, or someone who is navigating such moments of change. So these are tips that helped me. You could as well try to use them, and they could help you, or they could at least have the situation a bit more manageable than it could have been if you don't do anything. So as we ride in, please grab your seat and feel comfortable. So the first thing I'll say, for me, what I have done in moments of change that helps me to navigate the moments a bit much easier, or with much of ease, it was staying flexible. That is something I'm really trying to still learn up to the moment, because I'm one of the persons or one of the people who try to really hold on to things or moments or situation and feels like I got this forever. So one thing I'm trying to learn is staying flexible and trying to learn that it could change, and with that at least I'm learning to go with the flow. And when you learn to go with the flow, it helps you more try to live with the change rather than trying to resist it. And the moment you try to go with the flow, it helps you navigate it much better, because you use less energy trying to understand it rather than trying to resist it. The other thing that has helped me and navigate change in a better way is embracing the unknown, embracing or trying to understand that I don't know what tomorrow holds, and it could come different from what today is, and I am ready. It's like ready for whatever life throws, or being ready at whatever situation that I find myself in. And I can say for sure that has really helped me in so many situations, which sometimes it can be like scary and just like I don't know what is to come, but at the same time it's really a good way to navigate such moments. And then the other thing that the other thing that I'm trying to learn, or I have learned in the process of change, is embracing or trying to practice resilience, or being resilient, because in such moments, it's the moments that you need to be very positive and very very focused on this will get better, things will be okay, or this situation is not permanent, it's only a temporary situation, or if it's permanent, then I will get used to it, or I will at least get to learn what it is or about, and I will be, or in a matter of months I will be okay and I will understand this more. That has helped me practice and understand the situations in a much better way. And then the other thing is focusing on what I have control over, or what I can control, and what I cannot, I just let it be, or I try now to learn it in a very slow pace, without putting myself into the pressure of I should be knowing this. So I try so much to work on what I am familiar with, or what is familiar with me, rather than what I am not familiar with. I tend to really go with what is working for me, or what is really for me. Yeah, and that way it at least feels a bit better and less overwhelming in such moments of change. And then I'll say the other thing, mostly when it comes to change, it's a moment for you as a person, or me as a person, to learn and grow. So use such moments to gain a bit of experience. Try to connect with people who have been in such situations, or people who know better about such situations, so that they can help you understand, what is this about, what could this be trying to teach me, or what can I get from this situation. So focus so much on trying to learn and grow from the situation, rather than the situation trying to pull you down. Yeah, and then I guess the last thing I would say is, try so much, but if you need help or you need support, please ask for it from a friend, from a family, or from actually a mentor, or someone you trust so much in such situations. Please reach out and let them know how you feel, or what you're going through, and maybe through talking and all that, it could help you understand how to navigate it much better. Or maybe something that you're not doing right, you could as well get to know what you can do right. Talking about change, I know you guys have been in moments of change, or have experienced moments of change in your lives. Kindly let me know down in the comment section, what was your moment of change, how did you navigate it, or most probably, what are the tips that you could at least suggest to someone that is going through change, that they could use, maybe something that I've left out. That way we can keep the conversation going. That said, that's a wrap for today, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. And with that said, please remember that change is so inevitable. You cannot evade change, you cannot escape change, but that's what keeps life going, right? So please try to embrace it, and try to learn from it, as well as try to grow from it. With that said, until next time, please stay positive and stay resilient, and let's try as much as we can to embrace change. Peace out.